Hi everyone, so this video is mostly for my own curiosity, and you've read the title, so let's get into it. So, I'm going to do regular impulse and then full impulse. And UI's on because otherwise you can't hear it for some reason. So let's go. So first up is Starfleet. Klingon Defense Force. Dominion. Discovery Starfleet. TOS Starfleet. And last but definitely not least, Romulan Republic. And just to prove a point, a Starfleet vessel on a Romulan character. So the engine sound is distinct to each faction, and it doesn't matter which ship you fly, regardless of faction. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell if you haven't already to support this channel and to be notified of future videos. And for those who have already subscribed, can you please check if you still are? Because I've been told that YouTube sometimes unsubscribes people. And I do have a Patreon now if you want to support me that way, link in the description, as well as a currently very small Discord server, also in the description. Thanks for watching, see you guys next time. Bye!